This is the final tutorial in the strategy phase of the process. It looks at channel commitment and really focuses on a commitment calendar. It ties in both of the previous tutorials, which look at channel choice and channel definition, and it kind of completes the final phase of the analysis and strategy of our digital marketing campaign. So it's a very important part of it, and it talks about what you plan on doing for the next 6 weeks after you launch your actual campaign. So it says it puts in place and resources in order to maintain and update your digital campaign. Now, what that means is that you're actually putting together a plan for once you've launched your actual different channels, what you will do to maintain them. Now, what's important about that is that really when you launch your campaign, quite often that will be when you submit it to me. So I need to see what you plan on doing for the next 6 weeks in order to achieve your aims through each of your channels. I will not be coming back in 6 weeks' time to see if you've done these things. So it's very important that you plan, and you can even say you're offering prizes and so on. I'm not going to hold that against you, because that would be a real life scenario, competitions, etc. So I'm just going to focus on this here for a second. I'm going to just zoom in on this one here. And what we have here is, you can see it talks about the first 6 weeks. Okay, first 6 weeks. And you can see week 1, 2, 3, what it's going to do in each of these 6 weeks for each of the channels that that Ground Force in this case has looked at. Okay, website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, and YouTube. All right, so each one of these, sorry, this isn't Ground Force, this is just an example we're doing here. So in certain cases they turn around and say competition launch for week 1. That's very good, but what I'd like is a little bit more detail with regards to what kind of competition and so on. Launch our business ad using AdWords to YouTube travel videos. Now again, that's good, because that will hopefully increase engagement for these channels. Okay, so they've got each of them. Now you'll see in certain cases when I look at some of these that that some of them actually have gaps, and that's okay too. It means that you know every week it's good to have something, but if they don't have something for a certain week, it's not the end of the world either. Okay, so I'm going to scroll across to this example over here: website, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and blog, and you can see week 1 to week 6. And now, to be quite honest, this is one that kind of I'd rather if you avoid it. Ensure links work, update the latest deals. Okay, ensure links work, that's maintenance, that's not proactive real life kind of scenarios that are going to help you achieve your aims. It's maintenance, you need to do that. That's absolutely, it's generic, it's expected. Okay, so really what I want in here is detail that will help you to achieve your aims on these particular channels over the next 6 weeks after launch. Okay, and finally we have one down here which looks at website, Facebook, and Instagram, and again week 1 to 6, and announce a competition winner, these kind of things. So just ways, little incentives, little small promotions that will help us to achieve our aims over the weeks. Okay, now ground control, and this is what they're actually dealing with. Now up until this point, their strategies, their analysis and strategy has been very, very good. Like when you look at this, they're looking at action on website, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all their channels. Okay, so you can see here add video, blog. Again, what I would need from this is a little bit more detail. They have gaps, and that's okay. As I said, it's not, you don't have to have something for every single one of our channels every week, because it's hard to maintain that. Okay, and it's hard to focus on all of our channels all of the time. But I need a little bit more specifics with what they're actually trying to do. But you get the idea from a plan here. What you need are actionable, recommendations on how they would achieve their aims in from week 1 to 6 for each of their channels. Okay, so what have we done up until now? Well, up until now, we've looked at the idea, the analysis, which contains goals, audience, and standing, which the standing, of course, is the SEO audit. We've looked at the channels, the definition and commitment under strategy. So everything we've done up until this point is assignment 1 and is expected for assignment 1. So what we're going to look at from now on is actually the implementation of each of the channels, not just the ones that we decided to use for our particular project, but for all of them. Okay.